Destiny, my baby, come here. Hi, my baby. Bring chocolate. One on one, yeah. So how was school?
School was good. We're getting more votes, but we're still in second place.
On a storage first. Don't worry, me tell all of my clients them, so they must vote for you.
Thanks.
Alright, so you finish your homework?
Almost. But I feel a little bit hungry.
Okay, but snacks inside, so I'm gonna go eat something.
Daddy said we have to eat the snacks this time of the night.
Why should I?
Excuse me, sir. Why she can't snack at this time?
Because of the time. And our body now gonna digest the food at this time.
No, it's okay. Daddy said we have to eat the snacks this time of the night.
Well, don't listen to Dr. Walker. Your body is young. You will burn the energy. Hello, she'll burn the energy every time she sleep. Want to take the snack?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Young miss, see what you do here.
Love you too, daddy.
See what that little girl there doing.
Chris, what she trying to do?
She use style. I come use her head. She come and ask in front of me. She know you're going to say it. I'm tell her that she not eat this late.
So she do it because she knows that I'm not gonna argue with you in front of she.
Exactly.
Smart girl. She took it from her stepmother.
One thing I tell her still, you know. She can't go keep up them things there, you know.
Me, I try to keep up something and so. And you are about a little girl eating snacks?
Baby, now get it, you know. She have to work with some principles.
Baby, you know that, yeah. Okay? I am so. It's so miserable.
I'm not miserable, babe. I'm just there and I try to fix.
Chris, baby, calm down. You're not so serious, okay? I want you. You seem very uptight. You want really some attention?
Maybe later.
Okay, sir.
Come on, go inside.
Thank you, baby. I'm going to tell us some toothie for that place, Sam.
Yeah.
Yes, baby.
You know, some of that pray for send Destiny of a shepherd for the holiday. What do you think?
You know, some of that think the same thing, though. But, you know, say Emmanuel Jordan go on vacation.
Vacation?
Mildred, I carry him on vacation, sir.
Oh, you mean vacation?
Yeah, you know, him can lots of him words them already.
Wow. So where them a go?
So, Larry there, my love.
Yeah. Shepherd of visa?
I'm not saying that convention over this time.
So that means a shepherd place nah go work then.
Well, she can't go there for the first week.